Hello, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing this Tuesday? I hope everyone is doing good. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and a great Monday yesterday. I haven't seen you. I went live on my Facebook group, the free Facebook group. So if you are a nonprofit, you can go ahead and join my free Facebook group for to be in the community. We go live. I go live with someone else or on my own every last Monday of the month. So if you would like to be with us and ask your question in there in that private group, you are free to join. You can find the link in the bio if you are on Instagram and in my link tree if you are everywhere else. Um, so yeah, how are you? Hi, Brittany. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to be talking about s-corp. As you know, we're in tax season. Surprise, right? We're in a tax season and some deadlines are coming up soon. The first deadline coming up in March 15. March 15 is the deadline to file your s-corp or partnership taxes. It's also the deadline to file an election for to be an s-corp. So if you haven't done that yet, you better go and do it right now, right? So if you're new here, my name is Noura al-Masri. I am an enrolled agent and the founder of Noura's Books. I am known as the nonprofit CFO. I help everyone doing taxes, actually, nonprofits, businesses, and individuals. If you're looking to increase your funding as a nonprofit, this is a very, very important time in the year for you. So you have to make sure to do actually your 990 now and accurately. So make sure like you do that. If you haven't started the process yet, you can reach out. If you're a business owner, when you do your taxes with us, you can ensure actually that you have an accurate return and that will affect your cash flow because you don't want to pay more than what you really, really owe in taxes. So we can help you do that. Also, so today I'm talking about s-corp. So let's focus back in s-corp. If you have an s-corp, you want to make sure you are ready to do taxes. If you are not ready to do your taxes by March 15, which is if you've been already connected with your tax professional and you'll be working on it because you don't want to wait until the last minute. You want to do it now and give your tax professional time to ask you the questions that you might have not thought about. Because what I've seen with a lot of people, they think, okay, here's the information and buy, like I got everything. But in reality, they only got like that many things. But we know like what you're missing and what you are possibly missing. You might not be missing anything, or maybe you are missing a lot of things, and that will affect your tax bill at the end of the day. So if how do you know you are ready to file your tax return for your s-corp? As an s-corp, hopefully you have been doing your bookkeeping. So you should have your financials and they should be an accurate financial statements, meaning your balance sheet and profit and loss should be accurate and up to date. That means you have been doing your bookkeeping. And if you haven't been doing your bookkeeping, probably you are not ready to file. So, and you won't be ready to file until you know that your bookkeeping is in a good place. You have an accurate financials and those are ready to go. If it's not ready, I won't advise you to go and do anything because you really need this information to have an accurate return. And it's not a joke. You have to have that. Um, Another thing, you want to make sure you have your accountability plan updated and checked so you can enter the correct information into your books so you can take also advantage with tax deduction you are eligible for. Because if you've been here enough and watching my videos or my lives, or you would know that is for s-corp you still can take home office deduction if you are working from home, but it's not the same way you take it when you are an LLC. You have to have an accountability plan to take this expenses. So if you don't have that and you don't know what is that, make sure you file a call when you book a call or talk you to your tax professional. So make sure to ask them about your the accountability plan and make sure you have one. These like two things that you want to make sure you have. And of course, like if you are an s-corp and you're getting paid throughout the year, that means you have been paying yourself on a payroll. Remember, as an s-corp you have to run a payroll if you want to pay yourself. If you do not want to pay, if you do not run a payroll, if you don't have yourself on a payroll, then you cannot take any distribution from your business. So it's either or. So you have to have yourself on the payroll. So that means like you have your all the payroll taxes paid, all the reports that you need so to file your s-corp return. So you want to make sure you have all of these things. If you don't have any of these things and you want to make sure like you to have them, don't just ignore it and don't file on time, because I have a surprise for you. And I wrote it down because I don't want to mess up the numbers. You want to make sure you file an extension by March 15. So again, you want to make sure to file an extension by March 15 if you are not ready to do your taxes. It's not something to ignore. It's not something, oh, I'll do it in just a few days, because you know what? You're going to have to pay penalties. They will charge you penalty and you will get that bill, even if it was late, because what we have learned, IRS actually are delaying everything. And sometimes you would have filed long time ago, a few months ago, and if you call, they will say, we have no record of that, even though your tax professional will send you a proof and everything. And this has been happening a lot this season. And if you ask few tax professionals, you will know this is happening. So you want to make sure to do what you have to do and to keep every proof, because IRS are delaying, like everything is delayed these days. You can be, I have someone actually who just got a penalty from something they did like a few years ago. Not with me, but they just get with me to help them with this letter. And they have done this like 3-4 years ago. And now they're getting this letter. So they're working slowly, but they're working. They're going to come after each one of us if we don't do the right thing. But when you do the right thing, then you can actually argue anything and show proof that you have done something that they're saying you did not do. So you want to make sure don't ignore that, because the penalty, I'm going to tell you the penalty every month or part of the month that you're delaying, you will be charged $220. Okay, I'm going to repeat that. Every month or part of the month you are delayed, you are going to be charged $220. Because why? Not because why. Like that means what? So let's say you did not file on March 15 and you filed sometimes in April. You are late part of March, so that's 220, and then part of April or April. So that's another 220. But if you add both of these, it's going to be 240, right? The minimum they will charge you if you delayed 60 days or more, it's going to be 450, right? Let me see. Yeah, it is 450. So it's not even like 220 plus 220. It's 450. And that's will add up for each month. So if you are delaying 12 months, for example, that's the max they can charge you, as they say right now. So 220. So it's going to be like over $2,500 just if you do not file on time. No. Now, you can say, okay, Noura, we are not ready. But we don't want to be charged penalty. Who wants to, right? So what you can do is file an extension. Simple. So you have to file an extension, and the extension will give you until September to file. But that's the last chance. So you have to do it by September 15. So even if you do an extension, don't just ignore it. You have to just start working on it right away, especially if you haven't been doing bookkeepings or your books are a disaster. So you want to start working on it right away because it's going to take time, and you don't want to wait until the last minute again and again. You want to make sure you do your tax return right now. Brittany, no, it's not daily, it's monthly. It's for each month or a part of the month. So even if it's a half month, it's 220. So once you enter the month, they count it. Doesn't have to end. So yeah, good thing it's not daily, but still, who wants to pay even $1 that it's not necessary and something we don't want to pay unless we have to, right? So yeah. So yeah, you want to do an extension by March 15, and don't wait until last minute, because I'm going to tell you guys, all of us going to be super, super busy on March 15, either filing extensions or filing returns. So you don't want to wait until the last minute. This is the time to connect with us and let us know what you want to do. And if you want to work with me, if you don't have an accountant or this is new to you, you can connect with me. And this is actually the link on the bio if you are on Instagram. And if you're in another platforms, I have the link on the screen. You can book a free call with me or just onboard yourself if you know that for sure you want to work with me. And if you onboard yourself, there's a way to chat with me and my team, and we will answer your questions. You'll be able to pay your deposit. You'll be able to upload documents. So if you know for sure you want to work with us, just go ahead and onboard yourself. Make sure you put your phone number also when you onboard yourself, because we want to be able to connect with you, to call you if there's anything. And also, if you actually are not sure and you just have like a few questions, or probably you want to see if we are a good fit or not, you can book a free call. And we'll be talking to you soon. Don't delay. Make sure you actually take care of your taxes. Again, it's March 15, the deadline for both partnership and s-corp return. If you are not ready to file them, make sure you make an extension. And we help people do an extension all the time. If you need to do your bookkeeping, catch up, clean up, anything, start a bookkeeping for last year, you can still do it. And we help people also doing that all the time. So you feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help you along with my team. All right. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment. You can ask me now, like before I leave. So if you have any question, let me know. Otherwise, if I don't see anything, I'll just see you tomorrow with another topic, and let me know what would you like me to talk about, especially anything like for tax season for your business or nonprofit, or even for your personal return. Let me know. I'll be happy to make a video or live just for you guys, so The reason is to help you and make sure you are informed while you're doing dealing with this tax season. So I'm a big fan of getting actually education to you. I'd love to inform you. It's better to be an informed taxpayer than just someone dropping their documents and don't know anything. What happened? Are you getting this bill? Are you getting this return? I want you to be informed. So if you are someone who wants to be informed and at least like know what's your options are, then probably we are a good match and I would love to talk to you. Book a call or onboard yourself and let us help you. All right. Have a great day and happy tax season. Just get it out of the way so you can focus on your business and growing your business. So, all right. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.